1, 2, 3. Hello, darlings, and welcome back to my channel. It is I, Erin, and today I tried out a new Ulta beauty collection. They did a collab with the YouTuber Melissa Michelle. If you want to check her out, I've linked her down below. She is a beautiful woman, and her products are even more beautiful. Is that rude to say that? Maybe. Her products are also beautiful. Okay, we'll put it that way. But I've used almost all of her products. I did buy an eyeshadow palette, cheek palette, and a lip palette. Not lip palette, lip collection. So definitely check out her and then also watch this video to see if you like those products yourself. I think I got a pretty sick look. I definitely didn't go for wearable today. I've definitely been planning to do a full cut crease today for like a week and a half now, or maybe even 3 weeks. I've been planning this, so I wanted to take it there, as you know. So just a little close up without the glasses on. Of course, my eyeglasses make all sorts of situations on my nose. Ignore those. But that's how I got the eyes going right here. So if you want to see how I got this look, how I feel about the Melissa Michelle Bling on the Glam palettes from Ulta Beauty, then just keep on watching. But if you like this channel, Lord help me now. But if you're watching this video and you enjoy it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I love that. Subscribe to my channel. Join the darling army. It's a fantastic place. Additionally, you can follow me on all my social medias, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. That's all at I'm a Pluralist. And if you'd like to support me on my creative journey, you can go become a patron on Patreon. The links are down below. All right, let's get into this makeup demo and tutorial. Makeup review and tutorial. Who am I? I am Erin, and I'm trying a new foundation today. This is the Revlon Color Stay Full Cover Foundation in 24-hour, no. The Revlon Full Cover Foundation in 110 Ivory Matte. And so that video should already be up. I'll link it up there. We're going to go ahead and try some new products elsewhere on the face while we are finishing up our makeup for today. So Melissa Michelle has 577,000 subscribers. About to be 5,077,407 because I am subscribing right now. Bam. I'm going to start off with a little fluff brush. This is from the Morphe Dare to Create. This little eyebrush set that they released at Ulta that for some reason is still available, but it's been on sale a lot, so I got it on sale. And there's just these little fluff brushes. I don't believe that they are vegan. These definitely feel like animal hair brushes, like goat hair or something, but they are cruelty free, so that's up to you if you think that's true or not. But we're gonna go into this palette. We're gonna start with Rotor Man, which is that little peach shade up at the very, very top. And we're going to pop into that. Whoa. Holy fallout, Batman. Or kickback, as you say. But it did coat the brush. Y'all saw this brush was white before. It's not white anymore. Okay, so we're going to kick that off and then just go ahead and sweep this through the crease. Sweep. Who have I been watching that says sweep through the crease? I don't know if I've watched anyone who says that. Does Tati say sweep through the crease? I haven't watched her in a minute either. Not because I don't like her, but because I haven't watched anyone. Like, I feel like there's so many small YouTubers that I'm trying to support that I don't even have time to watch the big ones that got me into YouTube in the first place. But, like, I'll link some of my favorite small YouTubers down below. Alxcerose, Beauty with a Heart, Ania's Makeup, you guys are thebomb.com, Lavamp Artistry, of course. Lavamp Artist, of course. She won my first giveaway ever, which was just so funny. She lives down the street from me. Yes, we're going to do a collab. Don't even worry about it. That shade is stunning. Okay. So we're going to go in with 100% in Florida. We might go with Oi. But we're just going to build those up around. They're all very fluffy. Wow. Hello. Yeah, okay. So this is beautiful. Yeah, so we're going to keep those more on the pinky side, and then we'll use the brown shimmer, which is called Dude. Oh my god, you guys are going to die when you see it. If you didn't see me swatch it, you'll miss out. It was a situation. First impression swatches, you never know how they're gonna go. Like, oh, this is phenomenal, or oh, this sucks. Or like with Dude, you're like, dude, are you freaking kidding me? I'm just blending that out with a little bit more of that first shade that we used. I'm gonna go in with a little Florida, same brush. Sure, tap that off or you'll be fucked. Especially since I already did my foundation, because I'm doing a foundation review. I'm just focusing this more on the outer edge for sure. I guess I could have laid some powder down, but I don't like how it dries out my under eyes, so I didn't. We're gonna go into Oi, which is that darkest shade I showed y'all a second ago, and we're just gonna pop that right here. I want to do a full cut crease, so this is gonna really just be right in the middle. I mean, we can take it down a little further anyway. Y'all, I do my makeup without a mirror almost all the time. I can't even see what I'm doing. And y'all see it turns out pretty good. I hope you see that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease with some concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape, my newest Holy Grail concealer. In fact, the only Holy Grail concealer I think I've ever had. I've tried a bunch, y'all know that. But I've never been that happy with them. And then the last one I had been using, y'all know it was Kat Von D. So let's go ahead and do the other side. I'm just gonna do that up in my close mirror, so if y'all can't see this, that's fine, because I'm showing you one eye, right? I think that's fine. So let's do that one, and then we'll be back in a second. One thing I like about the Tarte Shape Tape a lot is that you can kind of set it with just tapping, like I said. You don't really have to go in with a powder, but it's still a little bit tacky, so you'll get that extra color payoff at the same time. So let us take a little flat brush. This is a lip brush. I think it's an M124 from Morphe. Maybe it's not. Anyway, we're gonna go in with Dude, which is that brown shimmer at the top, and we are just gonna go on the outer wing for sure. So like right here. All of that on the same side of my brush. So now I'm gonna flip the brush over to the clean side and go in with Hey Guys, which is this one right here, and we're gonna pop that in the inner area where we haven't put any shadow yet. And we are just blending that out into Dude. Let's go ahead and do this glitter liner situation. So this is gonna just like trace the top part of the, this is from the same set, the Melissa Michelle set from Ulta Beauty. But I'm just gonna trace the upper part of my cut crease. Hope y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay. I'm just gonna go clean up the underside of this, and then for that, I'm just gonna use this makeup remover pen. If it hasn't dried out, we'll see. Just take that into a great and beautiful wing. And then we'll clean it up a little bit more with concealer for sure. This is just a really handy tool for sure. Okay, So let's go ahead and take a little bit more concealer. This is a Morphe M432 brush, just like a flat tapped brush. And we're just gonna use that to curve this out. And then just blend it down into our foundation. Just to make sure that looks good. And then like just before I'm gonna pat that out, I will set that with a powder, but just for now, I guess let's go ahead and do the under eye, eyeliner, liner, mascara, all the good stuff. So for the under eye, I'm gonna go in with I wanna go in with Oi, and then this one up here, Boo Bears. I don't understand those names, but that's what we're gonna do. Whew! All right, hi guys, I did that. How do my eyes look now? Dramatic AF. Yes, God! Like a little alien. I'm digging it. All right, let's finish the rest of the face. We're gonna use the Melissa Michelle cheek palette, and this has the shades Mahal and Maganda. And I'm gonna mix those two heart shades together, I think, to do my blush. I don't know if I'm gonna bronze today. I'm kind of just digging, staying with these pinkier tones. So we'll see how we look, and if we want to bronze, we'll add that on. I definitely have to use a different brand highlighter because the highlighters in here, A, don't work that well, and B, are way too dark for me. Let's go in with Boo Bears and just work on blending that into the actual contour situation out there. Let us get a somewhat clean brush. This is a fluff brush from BH Cosmetics, and we're just gonna use that shade. And just kind of like do that right here. So I'm gonna pop into Dude a little bit. Just get that darker situation happening. I want this to be a little, I want it to be wearable, but still really kind of eccentric, if that makes sense. So that's where we're headed with this. And I think this is working just fine. I might have to bronze just to tie this brown in a little bit better. Brush that we're just using. Definitely. That is kind of what I was going for. I hope that y'all can see what I mean by that. All right, let's do the other side. All right, what do we need? This is gonna be the longest video of all time. Eyebrow highlight, actual highlight, lips. Let's try to do these lips. I'm not gonna use a lip liner. It broke and I can't resharpen it. It's driving me nuts. This is the lipstick. It's in Spice from Melissa Michelle. Everything from the Melissa Michelle collection that I'm going to use today. I am going to go in with my normal highlighter because I love it. It's from Lime Crime. It's that pearl highlighter right in the middle. We should pop that everywhere because it's the most beautiful highlighter in the universe. I'm telling you guys, I could bathe in this pearl highlighter. It is, I do. I wear it almost every day, even if I'm not wearing any makeup. I literally just put this highlighter on. And I look like I'm sweating to death, and it's beautiful. Okay. Am I done? God, guys, I think I am done. What do y'all think? How did I do? Look at really full cut crease using all Melissa Michelle X Ulta Beauty Collection products. And I am looking like a sick bitch. In a good way. I need to highlight my ears. Oh, God. I mean, I feel like the second you start highlighting your ears, you can never go back. It's just something you can't go back on. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video today. I had a lot of fun playing with the Melissa Michelle collection from Ulta Beauty. Honestly, I mean, I don't know if y'all looking at what I'm looking at, but it's legit. The shades are beautiful. They all go together so well, which I think sometimes when people do collections, it's like, is it really like tended to use them all together? But you can totally tell like all the shades go together. It's beautiful. I'd say the only thing that's missing in this is that there's not a highlight shade for me because I'm super pale. But if you have a darker skin tone, like, could you even imagine using these shimmer shades on a darker complexion? I mean, they look stunning on me, but I could just imagine on a darker complexion, they would look like glimmery butter. Yeah, like glimmery butter. It would be beautiful beyond contest. This is the first Ulta Beauty collection that I know of that has done a collab with a beauty influencer. If there's more, let me know. I don't think that there's any more available right now, but this just launched like literally last week. I bought it the day I saw it because I'm a crazy person and I'm diamond on Ulta Beauty now. So embarrassing. Yes, so guys, I had such a fun time playing with this palette and the cheek palette and the lip products. That's all I'm gonna say about this. It looks phenomenal. Go buy it, enjoy it, have a great time, and do something sickening. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next. You should totally follow me. You should totally follow me on all my social medias, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And that's all at I'm a Pluralist. Additionally, I do have a Patreon. For anyone who would like to support me in my creative journey, please go check that out. The link is down below. There's several different award tiers. You could win giveaway entries. You can win chats with me one-on-one through Facebook or Skype or whatever. FaceTime, whatever works for you guys. So there's lots of cool prizes on there, like awards for becoming a patron. If you have a specific request, I can totally do that as well. So please check that out because I super appreciate it. At this point, all my patrons are literally just paying for my makeup so I can do reviews and videos for you guys. If we get enough, then we'll definitely move on to bigger and better things, backdrops, cameras, lighting, etc., etc. Yeah, so I hope you guys will check that out. I would so far love it if you did. And share it with your friends. Additionally, don't forget that there's a giveaway going on right now. The July giveaway is going through August 1st. You can definitely go and enter that. Just check out my July giveaway video for more details. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!